Introduction to Automating LinkedIn Posts.
Save time and boost productivity by automating your LinkedIn posts. In this tutorial, discover how Copy.ai's pre-built templates help you quickly craft professional content. Whether you're a freelancer, marketer, or job seeker, these tools can streamline your social media presence and make posting easier than ever.
Getting started with Copy.ai.
To begin, sign up or log in to your Copy.ai account. You'll find a user-friendly dashboard with various tools. Navigate to the Templates section, where you can explore options specifically designed for LinkedIn posts. These templates are built to help you generate engaging and relevant content effortlessly.
Choosing a LinkedIn post template.
Copy.ai offers pre-built templates tailored for LinkedIn audiences, from industry updates to personal achievements. Select the template that best suits your message and goals. Templates often prompt you for basic information like your topic, key points, and target audience to customize your post effectively.
Customizing and generating your content.
Input your details into the selected template. For best results, provide clear context and specific information about your post. Copy.ai's automation generates multiple versions instantly. Review the suggestions and choose or tweak the draft that best meets your needs before copying it for your LinkedIn profile.
Tips for posting and maximizing engagement.
After generating your LinkedIn post, consider adding personal touches or a call to action for better engagement. Schedule your posts during peak hours and use relevant hashtags. Copy.ai makes it simple to maintain a consistent, professional LinkedIn presence, even on a busy schedule.